Hi everyone, my name is Sergey Rebenko. I'm a web developer with 20 years of experience, and in my most recent project I needed to manipulate documents. So the task was very simple, as I thought. I just need to take an input from the form and place values into placeholders, and then allow download as a docx resultant file. And as a PHP developer, I start with PHP Office Word library, and I was disappointed very quickly. So just opening a file and saving it immediately result in different file. So it looked different. The structure was a little bit off. So the size of the table cells and everything. So the result was not as good as I expected. I quickly switched to python-docx library, but it was good for beginning. So just opening file, saving it, result in identical file. But when I tried to manipulate with tables, with call spans and offset, it result quite messy table. So the result was not very good, and client was not happy with it. And then I find out about the Spire.Doc library, and you can find this library for almost any language. There was no library for PHP, but I found one for Java, which I'm have experience with, and pretty quickly it did exactly what I needed. So I could replace placeholders, I could include HTML into document, convert HTML into document with this library and include it as a part of the document, or attach it to the main document at the bottom. And I could insert images, and most importantly, what I couldn't find in any other library was I was able to generate table of content. I was able to update it. So with PHP library it was not possible. With Python library you could add a macros. So when user open up a document in Microsoft Word processor, not in library LibreOffice or OpenOffice, but only in Microsoft Word. So the document, the editor will ask if you want to update the table of content. So this is the closest you can get with Python. But with Spire.com it was possible on the server. So when user download the file, first of all, it looked identical to original. It looked very, very good, and all the features worked really well, and the table of content was updated. So with this, I just came to client and just say, you know, it's worth it, totally worth it, and he agreed. So he purchased the library, and now I have task done, and client is happy with the documents he received from the library. And I couldn't, I think, accomplish this task, this project in this quality without the Spire.com library. So I highly recommend using this library. It's not free, but it's totally worth it. As developer, I can tell amount of work that company put in this product is visible. So you can be sure when you use this library that it will work exactly as you want. At least it was the case for this project. So I'm super happy. I'm gonna use this library. I'm gonna promote this library every time I need to manipulate documents, and I recommend you to do the same.